So I'm gonna try to make an actual edible version of the Dorito salad. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna make Mountain Dew mayonnaise. And how you make Mountain Dew mayonnaise? Start boiling some Mountain Dew and throw in some Doritos. So here's what I got. It's kind of pretty much what I expected. So next step is to get the oil somehow. It's like... oh yeah, it's around the edges. Okay, this is what I got. You can see there's actually quite a lot of oil in that. So unfortunately the mayonnaise is a bit of a fail. It's really runny. Okay, now I'm gonna break out the emergency pickles. It actually does taste a lot like Mountain Dew. It doesn't really have a strong like nacho flavor, but it kind of turned into more something you would use as a dip into, into the Doritos. Oh, it's actually not bad. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do the taste test. I'm not too hopeful though, because the mayonnaise was a bit of a fail. Probably better than anything Jack makes. Because actually, I think the cheese is helping it. But yeah, it's actually not bad. I might actually eat this. And it's a hell of a lot better than the last Dorito thing I made, for God's sakes. Okay, so this is what was left after I took the oil out. I've been boiling it to try to make a batter, and we're gonna deep fry it